Partnership Day is an amazing experience.
Partnership Day is extremely insightful.
Partnership Day is unique.
The event today was very energizing and inspiring, I would say. I mean, it really showcases a very wide range of research projects that SnT is undertaking.
The event today was lovely. I had the chance to meet with all our collaborators, especially understanding who's working on what.
Connection and collaboration is something that makes us really stand out in Luxembourg. The short ways, the ways to talk to each other, and this is a great advantage for Luxembourg. I think this is what puts us, on the European map and makes us visible. I come every year with great motivation and excitement.
Today brought a lot of perspective about AI, about trust, and how we are going to move in the future as corporation. And it's always very exciting to see what's happening in the world of AI innovation, and especially in Luxembourg.
We live in a connected world, yet we have never been so disconnected.
We know that AI will have a deep impact on society and on companies.
Trust, as we know, has to be built. It's easy to damage. It has to be constantly earned. And at SnT, trust is really a part of our DNA.